Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I had four odd coins that I've been looking for a video to put them into. They're all animal based coins, but they're from different countries. This first one here is from Eritrea. Now, a little while ago I did a whole video on about 6 coins from Eritrea that all had animals on them. And I found out I was one of them short, and it was the 100-cent coin from 1991. You've got soldiers on this side. This is the Eritrean coin. You've got soldiers raising a flag. On the reverse, you have the value, and you have an elephant. This is the one coin that I was missing from that particular Eritrea series. It's a 100 cent. It's an elephant. I now have the set. Unfortunately, I don't have the rest of the set here to show you. I have already shown you them on video, so I'll try and remember to put a link into the previous video. But yes, whoops, it helps if you get it the right way around, Steve. That's the right way around. There you go. Sorry about that. It's a Eritrean coin. It's 100 cents from 1991, and it's just the animal, the elephant. And that I bought it in that in the protector anyway. This one, before I got it, was in that protector when it came to me. This one's a Kenyan shilling from 2018. On this side you've got the coat of arms, you've got the country name and the year. On the reverse you have the value, and you have a full-length portrait of a giraffe. It's 2018 coin, has no mintage figures available for it. I think it's got a value of 1 shilling, and I think it's also known as a 1 Kenya coin. Ooh, come on. We also have a coin here which is a scalloped edge coin, and it's from Somalia. You have the country name and sorry, this one's Tanzanian, and it's 1971, and it's a 5 Tano, I think it is. The president is President Kwanza. That's K-W-A-N-Z-A. You also have the country name and the year. I believe the actual thing is called a 5 centi coin. That's S-E-N-T-I. On the reverse you have a flying fish of some description. This flying fish is known as a sailfish. It has a value of 5 centi on the back as well. Now the mintage for this 5 centi coin from 1971, which is scalloped and in a bronze colour, is 5 million. The last coin of the 4, is that the right way round? No, that's the right way round. We have, from Somalia, we have a 10 centi coin which is also scalloped. You have the country coat of arms and the country name. This coin was from 1976. I have a feeling it is aluminium, and we turn it up the right way and you can see that there is a value and a goat plus the year. Now this 10 centi coin from 1976 is also what they call an FAO coin, or the Food and Agricultural Organisation coin. This is a thing that goes on from United Nations, have the Food and Agricultural Organisation underneath it. So this coin is minted in the hope that the people who are using it get to know about the Food and Agricultural Organisation. This mintage for this 1976 10-cent coin is 40,500,000. So there wasn't very many coins in this particular hunt, but I hope you'll agree there's some very nice coins there and some unusual coins. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't done so yet and you enjoy the work that I'm producing, could you please also subscribe to the channel? I am trying to get my subscriber level up this year to 425 by the end of December 2024. I am going to need your help for that, and I hope that I've done enough to convince you to subscribe. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching, and until then, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.